Okay, here I go. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you again, just real quickly. You can roll them out, roll out slabs to the box, two ways. One is with these slats of wood underneath the slab roller. Big rolling pin, roll it out this way. On a dry piece of table, the table should be dry, and then switch it to another orientation, 90 degrees, and roll it out again. That's the first way of rolling out a slab. We're going to take it outside, put it on a board over here, like this one is. This one's already set up now. You want to get set up to leather hard. Take it outside, and then in the sunlight, and flip it every 10 minutes until it's leather hard. Like this one is set up now. It's not too floppy anymore. Okay. The other way of rolling out a slab is, follow me over here. All right, so this is a slab roller. And we have pieces of cardboard, big ones, and we have some small ones over here. Guys can work together. This slab roller will roll your slab out this way, the long ways, but it won't roll out the width wise. So you want to get it the width you want before you put it on there. Don't make the slab roller work too hard. You'll strip the bolts on it. Get them. So you want to get in the ballpark. So I get it. I might put this one back in. These pieces of wood here determine how thick your slabs are. Don't worry about it. I'll set it up for you. But this is a very fast way of doing it. This is white clay. We have the white side, and we have our red side. Red clay, white clay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this white clay, I'm going to put it to bed in between these two pieces of cardboard which are stored down here. I'll put it right here, and then I'll put this cloth over it. Thank you. Again, I'm in the ballpark with the thickness. I'll set the thickness, you don't have to worry about that. And then watch, you don't hit yourself with these pipes. You go over it until you don't feel any more resistance, and then you go back the other way. Voila. This is a really nice way of rolling out a slab. Now, many of you could do one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. You could do like almost 9 slabs here, so you guys can get together and roll slabs together. Again, we have the small ones. We have all small ones over here and the larger ones on the other side. Here's another large one. Okay. Again, I pick it up with my hands so I don't get fingerprints in it. I take it outside. I put it directly on a table, or I can put it on a piece of wood, put it in sunlight. Flip it every 10-15 minutes until it's leather hard.